Tonight, we are in Fort Scott, Kansas here at the Memorial Hall. I had no idea what to expect coming here. They've got tables and chairs on the floor. They've got stadium seating all around. Apparently there's quite a few tickets sold. Back once again, of course, because he never left, is Levi Mabe, everybody. Levi.
Hey.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Pleasure.
Pleasure's all mine.
Fort Scott, Kansas. Let's do this.
But I knew that if you could do all three of those things at the same time, oh no, what's happened? My jokes were so high. So we set off the alarms. Man, where were we in that joke? I don't even remember.
Before we continue, I just gotta get this out there because I feel it's necessary. I was the one that pulled the fire alarm. I thought, how can we really leave a lasting impression on Fort Scott, Kansas? I don't know if I'm gonna do it with just the show alone. I need these people to leave here tonight and have something in their fucking minds to remember this show in a government building / banquet hall / high school gymnasium / part-time shuffleboard / horse show or whatever the fuck else that goes on in here. Mission accomplished. They've gone all out for this thing. Look at the lighting. Check that out. Look at this on the floor, fucking campfire. Looks like I'm gonna tell ghost stories up here. That was their comedy show. Fuck, that guy scared the shit out of me. I was in the woods by myself. Nothing around me at all. I heard a sound off in the distance. It was a fire alarm. Because they tried to cook shit in a building that clearly doesn't have a kitchen. Is this better back here? How's that lighting? Hey? That's pretty fucking good there. Should have seen it this morning. How fucking bad must it have been this morning? This is what we ended on? There was a meeting about the lighting and this is what we went with? What I can tell you is, oh! Fuck, cops are here. Thank you, whoever brought that from home. I've never seen a town be like, we'll decide if we want to see this show, asshole. What are other towns doing? Throwing lights on as soon as you come out? Fuck that. We will make the call on whether or not we want to see your face, you son of a bitch. Thank you very much for being here. I appreciate it. Good night. Thank you.
Show's over. That was a wild night. Right now we're gonna see if we can scare the shit out of Kyle and or Levi. So far, no one's here. Oh, I hear something. This might be it. Hello, Kyle.
How long are you
Did
waiting?
I scare you?
Yeah, you did.
Look, we need to get a better reaction. Where's Levi? The Kyle scare did not go well. Let's hope Levi's different. Hello, Levi.
Hello! Oh my God, you scared the crap out of me.
Did I? Was that real?
That was real.
Did you sell me out, Kyle?
You didn't, you bum
I was
rushed me.
taking you near the door to give a false sense of security.
So that was a real reaction we
That
got?
really was.
Yes. Okay, because Kyle gave nothing. It's like he's dead inside.
Is that even on? Is the mic on?
Fuck.
You want to do it again?
Yeah, can we do it again? Scaring Levi, take 2. Levi!
Oh my God! What is this? Whoa! Oh, my stars!
What a night it was here in Fort Scott, Kansas. Levi, on tonight's show, had to contest with a fire alarm going off, which, by the way, I thought you handled beautifully.
Oh,
I really
very
did.
much.
And thank you, gentlemen, for finding a spotlight somewhere. What a night.
Oh, what a night! What a beautiful night! Makes you want to eat spaghetti, doesn't it?
To be fair, I want...
Get it together. Get it together.
God, Levi.
We got this.
Little
Go.
composure.
We got this. Go. 3, 2, 1. Jeff.
Well, thank you again to everybody that came out to the show here tonight in Fort Scott, and we will see you this week, Thursday night in Oklahoma City, Friday night in Lubbock, Texas, and this Saturday in Roswell, New Mexico. Get your tickets right now at jeffleesoncomedy.com. Levi, shall we?
We shall. Let's do this.
Levi!